Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. Today we're going to be taking a look at a case for the Samsung Galaxy A32 LTE. So this is the white version, and it's actually really good because it doesn't get fingerprints, but the only thing that it does get, because it's plastic, is scratches. But the good thing is that you won't be able to see the scratches unless you're in direct sunlight, or if I'm in a light like this right now, I could see them right now, but you have to be like really close to the phone to see them. But you will get these like micro scratches on the device, and the front of it actually has a few dings on it. So it has one micro scratch on the front. So, you know, I kind of wish they had used like Gorilla Glass 3 or 5. But, you know, the device has been holding up well when it comes to the build quality. Now, let's take a look at the Spigen case right here. This is the Samsung Galaxy Rugged Armor from Spigen. So I actually went ahead and on the website and I purchased this. I think it came out to like $11 or something like that. It has a pull tab right here, so I don't even have to cut nothing. I could just pull that out. That's kind of cool how they did that. I haven't seen that before, so that was pretty cool. Taking it out of the case, that's everything that's inside of it. So we can actually put this off to the side, but you can see that it does say made in Korea. And you know, that's pretty much it. It has the Spigen branding on there, and it's the matte black model, which is cool. So I love matte black. I love using. I have used a few Spigen cases in the past, but they never sent me any cases or anything like that. I've always purchased the cases, but this one's actually pretty solid. It's got this texture to it on the bottom, but in the middle it's matte black as well. So I'm kind of interested to see how the buttons will feel. But it does say inside of here that it's a liquid. I don't even know what that says. I don't want to slaughter what they're doing there, but it is Spigen ink in Irving, California, made in South Korea. I was about to say South Carolina. And you can see the cutout right there matches all the buttons. We're gonna go ahead and put this inside of the case right now. But I just want to show you it has the noise cancellation mic at the top, the cutout for the speaker, the 3.1mm headphone jack, the single firing speaker on the bottom, noise cancellation mic on the bottom. And so let's go ahead and pop this right in on the corner. That's the first one. Okay, that's really nice, and it has some grip on the side of it, which you can see when you put it up close to the light. You can see that it has some grip on the side of it, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and this actually feels really nice. It's like a matte black finish all the way around it. Power button feels substantial because it's got some grip to it. And then you can see the power button, the volume rockers above it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the fingerprint sensor. That was one attempt. Okay, we got on the second attempt. Let's go ahead and put the screen on full brightness. The case feels really feels sturdy in my hand. I could feel the grip on the side, so it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. It has a boxy shape to it as well, and you got this pattern, which I love. It's got this texture to it, which looks really sick. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like matte black, and it's got the you know what I'm talking about, the like a gunpowder black with that this is sick right here. Let me know what you guys think down below, but I really love Spigen's cases. But this definitely feels very protective, and it looks really stylish as well. It's gonna give you some really good grip on there, but it's got the logo on the bottom. Buttons feel really clicky on here. There's no issues with that. Very clicky buttons. I can get to the facial recognition as well. Let me see if it recognizes me with a hat on. Let me see, it's not recognizing me with my hat on. Let me try that one more time. It says face doesn't match. Maybe I gotta put my glasses on, I'm not sure why, but let's try that one more time with the fingerprint on the bottom. And that was the first time, so you know, this case definitely feels grippy and nice and secure in my hand, so that's what I like about it. But let me know what you guys think down below, and make sure you hit the like button on your way out if you found this video helpful. But I'll get right back with you later, crew. Peace.